everyone. I've got another itty bitty canvas for you. This one though is 4x4, so it is teeny weeny, and it comes in a pack of 12. So I may do a series, like a trip stitch. God, I can't say the word right now. And drinking the water should definitely help. But anywho, I don't know why the idea of teeny canvases are interesting me lately. Maybe because I worked on big ones for my show. And so now that that is, up, I can't keep making such enormous, well, none were like enormous, but I don't have room to keep making big ones. So I was going to do a little mallet smash, even though the mallet I think is the size of this canvas. I'm going to do a little itty bitty mallet smash. I thought these could be cute. Even I said I wouldn't resin canvases anymore, but these little ones might be cute if I left the sides just painted, because that way I'm not worrying about the resin on the sides of the canvas, which is the hard thing, and just let the resin kind of bubble on the top, and then paint the sides like black or something. That could be cool. Just something to kind of make them stand out from my others, kind of as a little series. And I would then just tape the sides when I went to resin. And then the resin would stop on the edges. So so weird to be working on something so little. I do like the 5x7 size that I did 2 days ago. It's kind of a fun little thing. You know what? I may add a color. I may do the yellow one here. It's going to be tiny. So that was Grumbacher Deep Yellow. This is some kind of violet with iridescent medium. This is Prussian Blue and Grumbacher Prussian Blue and Liquitex Basic Payne's Gray with iridescent medium. And they're all mixed with Floetrol and water. Ooh, that was more than I wanted. And then this next color is my favorite, and I'm pretty sure it is Artist Loft Neon Pink and Liquitex Basic Deep Magenta, or Brilliant Magenta, or whatever it is. Pretty sure that's what this is. Whatever it is, it's like a super cool color. It's just bitty. Yeah, this isn't gonna work like a mallet smash per se. You know what, I'm going to, I knew all those stupid cells were going to come up. So then why don't I just... I think I'm gonna have to make this brighter. Let's do putting in the cup that pink color and I think a brighter blue. And maybe a little bit of the yellow. Crud. Or a lot of the yellow. So I'm going to, because I know that's going to happen. I really wish yellow and blue did not make green. I wish you could use colors together and not have them combine. It's kind of hard working on an itty bitty because I really do want that pink to show, the pink and the purple. Some more pink and a little bit of purple to that cup. I feel like a giant because I'm working on such a tiny canvas. I can pretend I'm like, I could pretend this is a huge canvas and I'm a giant. All right, now we're getting somewhere. I love making the lines. I just love that look. big swirl if I can. Yeah, got that to go all the way around. So maybe like a Prussian blue sides would be cool. Just going to kind of center it back. Oh, it's so adorable. I think I just wiped paint all over my cheek. You're so cute. Touch up the edges where my grubby little paws were. So I'm going to leave the edges how they are right now with the drips. But yeah, I'm picturing or maybe a Payne's gray sides. Prussian blue would be pretty though. All right. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do any of that until, you know, it's going to have to cure, so. I'm gonna cover you so you don't get dizzy. Look how adorable. So cute. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye. Oh, and here's, there's the colors to show you what I used. So self-mixed blue, Prussian blue and Payne's gray, violet with iridescent medium, and I believe magenta with neon pink and Grumbacher deep yellow. Thanks for watching. Bye.